Hi, it's Steve at Avolites here. We're going to be showing you how to work with groups on Titan. So as you can see, I've already got two groups selected here, which is one for all of the dimmers that I've got in my show, and then I've also got all of the BMFLs that I have in my show. We're going to create a few more groups on here, so we're going to do some odd and even groups. It makes a lot more sense when you're programming your show or you're operating live. If you can select certain fixtures very, very quickly, this is a good way of doing it. So what we're going to do, we'll select all of the BMFLs, and there's a button just up here that's called All. If we select that, it then gives the option for what we're going to select. So we can select 1 in X, we can select odd and even. So we'll select odd, and you'll see that the 4 odd fixtures become selected. We'll record that group there and do so like that, and then there's a button up here called fixture +1. If you press that, that moves on to the even fixtures, so we can record that one as well. So we'll do that. We'll clear the programmer and do the next one for our dimmers. So again, we'll do all, odd, and record that group and enter, and then fixture +1 and even. Now I'm going to do another group here, and we'll say, for example, I've made a mistake doing this. So what we'll do is we'll select those 4 BMFLs and we'll make that group there, call it left. Now say, for example, I wanted to add these extra 2 BMFLs in here. I can then press record, click on group, and it gives me the option to merge into the group. So we'll select that, again clear the programmer. When I select that group, it's selected all 6 of them. If I wanted to change that group, say actually I made a mistake, I only want to have the left hand side ones on there, again I can press record, click on left, and there's the option that says group, replace group left. So now that's done that, clear the programmer, and that's only selecting those 4. This is really, really handy, as I said, with, for example, busking, just to make your life a lot easier. If you do this first of all in your show file, it makes life down the line a lot more easier to work with. So yeah, that's the tip for today. We'll see you in the next video.